Ang problema, katrabaho lang ito, happen to be, ako, naiintindihan ko. Kaya, sinabi ko, this madness has to end. Ano lang kasi sa, ang procedure kasi, let me be very frank with you. When you are placed under, I might not have the chance anymore to lecture on you na the serious implications nito. Yes, we have withdrawn and then you allow me to be brought to a body of which we are no longer a member.